Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to roast a corn cob, which is very simple and easy. So we have corn and we are roasting the corn right now.
Firing the corn.
Meanwhile, we will make the masala ready. So we have a little bit of salt. And some chili powder. Yeah.
So it's ready.
So we're gonna mix it.
Lemon veggie mix பண்ண போறேன்.
So we're mixing it, and we have a piece of lime, a slice of lime. You have to dip this in this, and now our corn is ready. So we are roasting it. Okay, so our corn is ready right now, and we have to apply. It's going to be hot, so we have to apply it carefully. To be really careful. Catch hold of this, Rishi. So you have to rub it nicely so that you have this zingy lemon and chili and salt goes inside. Done. And now it's ready. It's yummy in this rainy season. Yay!
Yummy, yeah. Yummy, yummy, yummy.